Today we will open unboxing MI Max 4 512 GB 12 GB RAM. Wow. Oh. Wow, so beautiful. This is the color is space gray, right? With camera zooming 108 megapixel. The front camera is no have, huh?
Yes.
If you will on, it's coming automatic, huh?
Yes.
That's the cover, silicone cover. Also inside coming, and that one is the charger cable, original one. And then that is adapter,
120 watt.
120 watt adapter.
The fastest one in the world.
Wow, very strong and very hard charger. Oh, 120 watt. Okay, we'll activate the phone. Now is activation. Escape. I think it. Oh. Check the camera. Wow, this is how beautiful camera. Look, the front camera you cannot see, but it already have. Searching base and pen SIM card. It have 1, 2, 3 camera and one sensor flash. They have dual physical SIM. Oh, look, front cameras cannot see, but they already have this front camera. Wow, so beautiful, amazing phone. How many X have zooming?
20x.
20X have zooming.
with autofocus sensor
Autofocus.
because
Wow.
all photo focus very clear.
Yeah, that's so very clear. I think it's more beautiful with my level ultra than all. And also that is the Snapdragon 888, right? 888. Ooh. How is it? 50x have zooming, right?
50x.
The zooming is 50x. Sorry, before I said 30x, not 30. 50x have zooming. Available in Rose Bay mobile. Thanks for watching videos. Subscribe our channel.